Waking up to a little bit of rain, but it's going to get worse as the week wears on, all because of subtropical storm Nicole. What's the difference between a subtropical and tropical storm?
Yeah, and that's important to note because with a tropical storm, we have a warm core, but with subtropical systems, we have more of a cold core. And also, you'll notice even by looking at the satellite image, subtropical storms typically have large cloud-free centers of circulation and larger wind fields. And this indeed is indicating that as we take a look at subtropical storm Nicole, which developed as of this morning, and we did receive that information at 4 a.m. and we are going to continue to track this closely because it is expected to move north-northwest at this point, and max sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, and then take a turn more to the west as we head into late tomorrow and then into Wednesday morning. Yes, we are looking at the potential for subtropical storm Nicole to move here across the state of Florida. So depending on where the center lands, we will see the impacts. But regardless, we're going to be dealing with heavy rain as well as the potential for flooding and very strong winds. And then it lifts north and northeastward. Many of the models are in agreement right now that it'll take that track towards the northwest, take a little jog to the southwest, move west. But then many of the models diverge in terms of the exact location of where subtropical storm Nicole is going to potentially make landfall. But really what we need to be prepared for tomorrow through Thursday, gusty winds, heavy rain, and coastal flooding.